It is Saturday night at 11 o'clock and I'm tired. I should be asleep. I had some company over for dinner, this little couple that's in my congregation. Um, they're just so sweet. So I invited them to dinner and I made spaghetti and some garlic bread and I baked a cake and just hearing their stories and how they met and stuff was they're in their 70s and they're just the cutest couple. So I just invited them over for dinner today. And I have been struggling with my cover design for the first book of the series because whatever the cover is going to be for the first book is going to have to carry over to the second and the third. I keep changing my mind about what I want it to look like. I know I showed you guys some pictures, but then I came up with another design that I gave to my designer, and I think this one's going to be better. It's similar to number one that you guys picked in the vlog last week. It's similar to number one, but not the same. I think it's better than number one. But anyway, hopefully she'll be able to get it done and I can get off of that roller coaster because I'm tired of that. I'm looking forward to going to Bethesda next month to Malice Domestic, which is a cozy mystery convention. I'm looking forward to meeting my editor there. I haven't met her yet. She's going to be there. And I'm looking forward to the classes. They're having like little classes on cozy mystery writing and things like that, and that's going to be kind of cool. So I'm looking forward to that. My husband's coming too. Plus, I have friends from my TV days that are still in that area. So I'm going to run into them as well as other people that I know. I've already talked to them and said, be on alert because we're going to go out to dinner or whatever. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'll be sharing with you some video from that event when I go. But that's it for now. I've got another wig review for you. I believe it's from Soul Lady. So let's take a look at that. Okay, you guys, I just finished a wig review. I'm in my bathroom. I just finished a wig review on this unit from Sensational. It is a human hair unit. First one I've ever received from them. Plucked really easy. It's 16 inches. Downside, it's silky, and you guys know how I feel about silky. But I have been gone all day today, and I decided I'd finish the day with this review because I've got four wigs sitting in the room across the hall. I have 4 wigs that I still have to review. I've got one that's done that I have to put up for Friday, and then I'm going to put this one up the Friday after that, and then Sensational, oh no, yeah, there's 3 Sensational wigs in there. And then Soul Lady Wigs is sending me another unit. So I'm going to be really busy for the next month or so. But I just want to show you guys this one because it's cute. Just wish it wasn't silky. I have been trying to eat healthier. And so I started drinking a yogurt, apple juice, and milk mixture with frozen fruit in it. So this has got like blueberries in it and strawberries, raspberries, mango, and I think that's all. So I'm trying to drink one of these a day so I can kind of keep my strength up because girlfriend is not a spring chicken anymore. What do you guys do to stay healthy? I wanted to just tell you guys today that the last video that I did, the last wig review that I did, I was not happy with that wig review. I'm not going to tell you which one it was, but you can probably tell by watching it. When I get a unit that does not cooperate in terms of either the lay down or the plucking or whatever it is, it just takes me completely out of the review. And I know that that's probably not good, but it's true. It takes me completely out of the review and I don't even want to do it because the wig isn't cooperating. And I don't know if you guys know, but I have ADD and I take medication for it, but I really do not have the patience for a unit that is not cooperative. And I know that it shows all over my face, and I apologize for that, but I swear to goodness, it just gets on my nerves when I get hair like that. Because you guys know that I'm the total opposite when I get something that I really, really like. You guys can see it. But, and I apologize, but I just, I did a wig review recently, and I just could not get into it at all. I tried really hard, I did. But this wig game can be tough sometimes, because especially if you have to do something because you've been given something, you're being sponsored or what have you. Sometimes it's really, really tough to get into it if the wig is not good. Charisma and I had a conversation about this not long ago, where we had both gotten a wig from a sponsor that we no longer work with, neither one of us. And it was just like pulling teeth to get that wig to do what I wanted to do. And she said the same thing. So yeah, I just thought I'd rant about that, because honestly, I hate when that happens. This blank page is here because I lost my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I curl a synthetic unit. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the wig with the curlers in it. There's just 3 on both sides. And all I'm going to do is allow this to cool. And then once it cools, we'll take them out and you'll see how it curls the unit. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I am going to put the curlers back in this curling thing. I didn't pick it up the first time because it was hot. I'm going to put the curlers back in there and take them out here so you guys can see me take them out. So here's the first one. See? Curl. Probably a little bit more curly than it needs to be, but it's curled. And that's the point. You put these hot rollers in and it will nicely curl this synthetic hair, no problem. So it's really no work. You just put the curlers in, let them cool, take them out, the hair's curled. I used to think back in the day that you could not curl a synthetic wig, and I had seen all kinds of techniques and nobody could get it right, at least not from what I saw back in the day, which is like 2018, 2019. Nobody was doing it right. But then Weezy Wig Reviews, you should go check out her channel if you haven't already. Weezy Wig Reviews showed me how to do this. And so now, that's what I do. So I'm going to put a scarf on this time because I mean a cap on this time. I didn't put a cap on before. I'm just going to put a cap on real quick. And, yeah. Put this on. Okay. Alright. Just going to put it on my head. Now that I've curled it, so that there's curls in it now. And as you can see, there's curls in it now. So I'm just going to brush it down. And yeah, this is much cuter than it was before I put the curlers in it. Much cuter. And then of course, if you want, you can put curlers all the way around it. But this was perfect because this was what I wanted. I wanted to get some curls on the side of this unit. Because in the picture, she's got curls. Well, not necessarily curls, but at least it's got some kind of curl in it on the front. And so this is what I did. And like I said, you could probably even like make it even more curly. You could probably even make it even more curly than you want to, than it is already. I'm going to put some powder in the part real quick, only because the part looks really dark. And these simple part wigs usually do. This looks kind of dark. It's almost like they dark rooted it, but I don't think they did. It just looks dark. Even when I didn't have on a cap, it looked dark in the part. So, you know, that's it. I just wanted to show you this one really quickly. I don't think that you could, I mean, if you shifted this unit, let's say we shifted it to the left. If you shifted it, I guess it's okay shifted. I guess it's all right shifted. I hadn't really thought about shifting it. But the concern that I have with these simple part units is they do not look natural in the front. They just don't look natural. Because of the fact that there's no lace to lay down, I think. Yeah, I don't think it looks natural. I think it looks like you got a wig on even from a distance. So I'm not a big fan of the Glamsy line. I mean, some of you may be, but I'm not a big fan. I think the only way that I would wear this Glamsy line is if I like push this wig back and put on a headband. Now that I would do. I could push it back, put a headband on in the front, and then I would wear it. But I really probably would not wear it without a headband on it. So that was just a quickie that I wanted to bring to you guys to show you how I do that. So let's move on. All right, you guys. The last part of this video is to tell you that I had lost that video, like I said, about those Glamsy wigs from Sensational. And I may end up doing another video on that wig, but really all I wanted to do is to show you guys how to curl it with hot rollers. That's all, just how to curl it. Because in the beginning when I got that unit, it didn't have any curl in it. So that's why I did it. I also want to tell you that I am still submitting my book to different publishers and still working with my designer on the cover. And I'm making some ads right now as well so that I can have some ads to put up when the time comes. So that's basically what I'm doing with the book. I am getting ready to eat my dinner. So I just wanted to thank you guys again for watching this ridiculous vlog. I'm running out of things to talk about, but yeah, you guys can help me find some things to talk about. Once the book comes out, I have plenty to talk about, but right now there's just a lot of stuff that's kind of on hold. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to watch my video on Friday because I have a review from Soul Lady Wigs. See ya.